Okay. I think nabanggit na po ng ating gobernador yan several times in the past na talagang pagdating po sa capacity ng ating mga hospital, government hospitals for that matter, and even if we include yung private hospitals ng probinsya, kulang po talaga na mag-cater kapag nagkaroon ng pangailangan ng ating mga kababayan. We have more than 3 million Pangasinenses. Ang hospital beds po natin sa buong probinsya, wala pa po yata 2,000 total, including private yan. So kapag lalo na tulad ngayon, lumalabas po sa mga ganitong panahon, yung talagang kakulangan po ng hospital beds at medical services para sa probinsya pag panahon po ng trangkaso, flu season. That's why the governor has already instructed, even during his first term, the plans to expand the operations and the capacities of our hospitals. Itinaas po yung level ng ating mga district hospitals, yung mga bed capacities. We are constructing already at mag-open po sa first quarter next year yung additional na pang 15th na hospital. Actually, it's still part of the 14 hospitals pero additional na campus kumbaga yung super community ng Umingan. Sinimulan na rin po yung pang 15, officially the 15th hospital yung sa bayan po ng Alcala. At ang sabi po ng ating gobernador, pangarap po niya bago matapos ang kanyang ikatlong termino, at least 10 ospital po yung kanyang maipatayo, whether or not operational na, basta definitely on the pipeline na at ongoing na yung construction. And hopefully it includes at least one specialty hospital. This would at least cater to the shortage of medical facilities and services para po sa ating mga kabayan. Hindi pa po sapat yun. Let me be clear. The construction of 10 additional hospitals, district and community hospitals may still not be enough para po sa probinsya ng Pangasinan. Pero kahit paano ay maayos natin yung bed capacity to patient ratio para bed capacity to population ratio ng ating mga hospital. So yan po yung tutukan talaga ng ating gobernador. Alam naman po natin ang kanyang mga priority ay nasa kalusugan, health, and not just curative healthcare but also preventive healthcare and also education. So yan po yung mga priority ng ating gobernador.